everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do some really quick and easy DIYs that you can use to decorate your home for the holiday season and possibly give as gifts, okay? For the first DIY, we're going to use this rectangular vase that I found at Dollar Tree. It's a skew. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and remove that. Okay, next up I have this towel, DECAL, and I picked it up from Dollar Tree as well. It's really pretty. Here's the skew. So really quick and easy. What I want to do is just take this off, and now I have this. I want to put this right in the center. So now I'll just hold this down and wrap the decal onto the vase, smoothing it out. Same thing with this side. So now I'm going to take some masking tape that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well and use it to hold the decal down while the glue sets up. Alright, so now I'll take some scissors and cut out the excess on the bottom and on the top. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit until it completely dries. Then we'll come back and move on to the next step. Alright, so while we're waiting, we'll start on the next DIY. I'm going to take one of these round Dollar Tree floral foams and spray paint it with gold spray paint. I'm mostly targeting the edge. So I'm going to do that and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back. And I have let this sit up for about 45 minutes. Hopefully the glue is dry. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is add some mirror towels to it. Here's the mirror towels. Let's get a knife. And I want to add 3 rows right in the center. And I'm going to lay it down and measure. Just like that. And now I'm going to put some right around the top. I think I'm going to do 2 rows. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So now I'm going to take some of this bling that I have, and I picked this up at Amazon. And now I'll cut this in half. So I'm going to put this piece here. Okay, now we have this. And now I'll put a piece at the bottom the same exact way and then come back. Okay, here's what it looks like with the trim on the bottom as well. It kind of looks like a present, and I like that. So next up I have a small decorative piece from totallydazzled.com. It's not a pin or anything, it's actually made to be glued onto something. So I'm going to glue this right in the center here. So now we have this. Finally, I have this little decorative flower that I found at Dollar Tree. So now I'll remove the label. So what I want to do now is just glue this right on top, just to give it a fancy little base, give it a whole new look. I like that. So because there's a little indentation here, I'm going to put glue on this base and let the base figure out where the connection is. I want this to be right in the center. So now I'll let that sit until the glue sets up. Moving back to DIY number 2, here's my floral foam. I've spray painted it with gold spray paint. Now, again, here I have another removable wall decal from Dollar Tree. As you can see, this one is gold. So what I want to do is put this on here. Now you can measure if you want to. I'm not. I'm just going to eyeball it. Now I'll take a pen. We'll go around the circle. Now I'll take a pair of scissors and cut it out. Okay, and this is what we have. And of course we will be gluing it to our coaster. That's right, it's going to be a coaster. Now I want to put this right in the center. And you just want to varnish it down. And it's going to stay. Now if you want to, you can add some fix-all glue. Now you can take whatever trim you like to trim the outside. As for me, I'm going to use more mirror towels. And I'm going to use 3 rows. And I'm going to take it right to the top edge. Now you just want to make sure it's firmly put on there. Now you take some felt, and I think I do have some felt, and put it on the bottom to give it a more complete look. Okay, so now we have our coaster and we have our vase. Okay guys, I'm back to show you that the base is glued on. Look how cute that looks. But what I want to do now is add a little bit more detail to it to make it a little bit more ornate. I'm going to use some of these small flowers from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is put some right on these leaves. Now we have some of this dark blue and more of a teal blue. I'm going to use the teal blue ones. Now when I cut these, there's like little strings. So I'm just going to use a lighter and cut those strings off. And now I get here and cut them off and burn the string. It really makes a difference. It's a little time consuming, but it's so worth it just to cut that string off. I know y'all say she just be doing too much, but yeah. You just take that little time and just cut that string off. I'm going to take one of these bamboo sticks and use it just to put glue on the base, because I only want like a little dot of glue. So now I'm going to take my rhinestone picker tool and use it just to place my flowers on the glue. Look at that, it makes such a difference just by adding the flowers. It makes it more decorative, makes it more elegant. Okay, so now we have it. Now this can be a candle holder or it can be a vase. It's totally up to you. You want to make it a candle holder, then we can put something like this right on top. I went ahead and cut a circle from the same exact decal and I'm going to put it on top like I did the coaster. Again, varnish it down. So I'm going to take some of the same bling, and I have a piece already cut that's long enough to go around it. And I'm going to glue it on, but this time I'm going to use some more of the Fix All glue. And now you just put it on there. Line it up with the top. And then cut out the excess. Alright, I gotta clean off the glue, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, I'll go to Dollar Tree tomorrow and find a round mirror and glue it on the base, and then glue this on top. But look at that, isn't it cute? So yeah, I'll get the mirror and then come back. Okay guys, as promised, I'm back to show you how to make this into a candle holder. Again, you remember how we put this together. Instead of going to Dollar Tree and purchasing some of the round mirrors that I talked about, I went into my closet, found these in my stash. And this is just a folding brush with mirror. Here's the brush part. So what I want to do is just remove this mirror. And I'm going to take these wire cutters and just cut here. And that's going to give me space to release the mirror. And just lightly pry your mirror off. Okay, just like that. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned the mirror. So now what I want to do is just glue this down like that. And I'm going to use some more of my Gorilla Glue. And I'm going to glue this right in the center. Now you can allow this to sit for an hour or so if you want to, but I'm not going to. I've already cleaned the mirror again. So I'm just going to put some glue right around the edge of the mirror. And then I'm going to flip this over and just put this right on top. Turn it around to make sure it all looks even. Make sure that it's firm down onto the mirror. And now I have two. So I'm going to let those sit up and dry. And then come back, flip them over, put them on display, and let you see what they look like. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.